Hello, everybody. I just want to take this moment to say thank you so much to the community of Brandfort. It is an amazing crowd we had today. And if you missed it for any reason, you will catch the replay. I will post a series of them here. So yeah, on this playlist, you will get the whole workshop in terms of small pieces of information. So on this list that you are going to find here. So yeah, enjoy the series of Brandfort workshop. And yeah, let's, when we come to your area in future, we'll do the same also with your community members. So I can't wait to see you. Unfortunately, it is in Sesotho. So if you don't understand Sotho, yeah, hard luck. But next time you will do it in your own language as well. May God bless you and have a great day. I can't wait to come to your town. I can't wait to come to your area to come and have this poverty eradication workshop to your community. May God bless you. Bye bye.